guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. Today I'm going to be showing you just a couple different ways that you can style your braids. Personally, I don't really like to wear my hair down because it gets in the way sometimes and it gets in my face, and then I'm like, it's gonna mess up my eyebrows or my makeup, and it's just too much. So if you want to figure out a couple of different ways that you can style your hair while you have them in braids, then keep on watching. All right, so the first and probably most basic, easiest styling is a ponytail. So flip it all forward and then just gather it. I already have my little hair tie ready. And while my head is still down, I'll start adjusting, like pulling my hair and adjusting the ponytail. And then flip. Okay. I see another little hair here. I don't know where that belongs. So this is bothering me. All right, that's better. Ta-da! So yeah, like I said, pretty simple, and it still looks really cute. You can even gather some of your hair, a couple strands, and then just wrap it around. And then from this point, bobby pin it to the back. And then it just looks a little bit better with it like that. Like you don't see whatever hair tie. So even if you don't have like a matching color to your hair, it'll cover it up and it won't matter. All right, so next thing you could do is put your hair in a bun from this point. So I'm just kind of twisting my hair around itself. You said that we were friends. You swore that you would never break my heart. You have a bun, hun. If you don't have any curly ends like me, it's even better because then you won't see any little random curlies. For me, I don't mind them so much, but this is another way that you can rock your hair if you have braids. Another way that I like to wear my hair is half up and half down. And I'm gonna just go ahead and part a little bit of the front, not too much. Just enough. So using the same hair tie, I'm just gonna go ahead, and this is much easier. I don't need to put my hair down. Here we have another hairstyle yet again. This one is a lot of fun too, and you can do the exact same thing, putting your braid around the hair tie if you don't want it to show, and if you want it to look a little bit more sophisticated. And also you could even take out two strands. Let's get these out. In the front or wherever, and then just kind of have this little vibe going. Cute, right? So this is super cute. I actually prefer with the two little strands. This is probably one of my favorite ways to wear my hair if it's not too hot. All right, so let's move on to the next hairdo. So the next one is also a half updo, but this time I'm just taking a little bit of hair, and it's the updo again, but this time there's more hair on the sides, as you can see. But we're not gonna leave it like this, although you could if you wanted to, but I'm actually gonna make a bun. And so I'm just gonna twist this right quick and then just wrap it around. And yet another one. Super simple, super cute as well. And it just gives you like a whole different look of your. All right, so let's move on. So with, you could also braid this. So watch. Okay. And this braid, you can tuck it into here and you won't even see it. And then I feel like the genie from Aladdin right now. But so now at this point you can go ahead and braid this hair. So just grab it, section it into your 3 sections, and then just braid it. Kind of get creative with each of these styles. If you wanted a bigger braid, you can do that with the last updo. This is a really playful look. If you wanted to dress it up, you could even add little hair jewels to your to this part, and then like little jewels on the braid, and just kind of elevate the look that way as well. Next style is very quick and easy. So I'm just gonna grab like probably the front row, and then I'm gonna grab one in the back just to kind of hold it in place because I want it closer to the back, like here. These little black rubber band hair tie thingies. And I'm grabbing a couple because I want the hold to be strong, and I'm just going to put it up and go around twice, depending on the thickness of your braids and your section. Okay, look at that. And here's another look. And also with this, you could also wrap a braid around it just to make it look a little bit nicer. And I will show you. And it kind of lifts up the braid or the little ponytail, as you can see, this one from this one. But it still looks really nice, like just wrapped around. It just elevates it just a little bit more. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. Super simple, really cute. I feel like this is like perfect for like casual looks, but I mean, really, there are no rules when it comes to your hair. You can wear it however you want. Let's go ahead and get to the final hairstyle that I'm gonna show you guys. So pretty much it's the same. You would have your hair up the way that I have it now, and we're just gonna turn these into buns, hun. Pretty easy. This is the final hairstyle. And I think that this is really cute too. I did it a little bit lazily with the buns. Of course, you know, you could do it better, but this is just to give you an idea of how you can style your hair as well. Once again, a really easy way to style your hair, make it look different, make it look like you put in effort when it was really minimal effort and maximal results. Okay, so that is it, guys. Let me know if you've tried any of these hairstyles, or if you're gonna try any of these hairstyles. Did I make it easy for you or not? If you enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And of course, while you're there, might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me, because you know you do. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.